Let's grab you right here.
We have our subscribers here as well at Clarks Inn Sweets. By the way, I was just appreciating your hospitality.
Thank you so much.
I'll be honest, we like the hotel. It was good. It's not excellent, I'll be honest. It is good, but your hospitality is next level.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
All our subscribers here.
Thank you. Subscribe to the sub channel.
Of what I'm trying to get into. Ain't nobody never broke
What's up
down.
guys, kaise ho? Eleonoro, hope everyone is doing great. As you can see, we're wearing a couple of layers right now. From here onwards, rides are going to get really exciting and really chilly. For now, I'll show you how many layers I'm wearing. First is the thermals. उसके ऊपर t-shirt. I'm gonna wear a liner as well, jacket का liner, and then उसके ऊपर और एक jacket, proper riding jacket.
What about fat?
You have fat, dude. I told you, give me some. ये बोकल में full chilly है. Feeling pain because of cold.
We are going at almost 0 degrees.
We didn't tell where we are going till now. Okay, now let's not toss the coin around. We already sat here, made a decision last night. We are going to
Okay.
Uttarakhand. I know this is like weird. We had to go to Aurangabad. Caves देखना था. We are here in Gwalior now.
We still did the caves. You saw
Still
the
saw
last
the
video,
caves,
right?
yes.
How was that?
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Today, ride is gonna be from Gwalior to Nainital. Nainital. Seriously? I've seen it in geographical maps in my school time. Nainital. Never been there. Gonna be very exciting. But yes, all this is very much important right now because it's gonna be very cold. As last night when we saw the temperature in Nainital, it was somewhere around 2 degrees, 3 degrees. But from there we planned some more places. There to 100% snow hai. So let's quickly get out. Let's go have some breakfast and I'll see you guys down with the bike. Okay, already going down now. I forgot about this. I have to have one protein shake in the morning. Let's go down, have breakfast as well. Once upon a time, Shiva.
ఇదే
Milk packets.
రివైండ్ చేస్తుండే ఇట్లా మీదకి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి ఇప్పుడు బయటికి వస్తుంది
Let's go.
Let's go.
Had to start at 6 o'clock. Typical dialogue. I have to keep repeating this. We're starting at 7:15. We're not even starting. We're just going down. We'll have to have breakfast. It'll be 8 by the time we start the engines.
Copyright?
Keep talking. We're trying to cover the copyright. So Vishesh is also here early in the morning to see us, to give us a send up. You don't need to do this. Early morning 5 o'clock. He got up and came. Our breakfast is also ready. My typical 3 eggs. I need to finish my protein and a little bit of fruits. What are you having, Shiva?
Poha?
Poha, jalebi.
I don't know, jalebi is there or not. It's a tradition.
That is like traditional thing, right? Poha jalebi.
in MP.
Yes. When I went to Rajasthan, I experienced. Morning when I went to a dhaba, someone gave me poha. That was fine. Then they gave me jalebi. I was like, subah jalebi खाऊंगा था यार. I mean, Hyderabad, you don't eat sweets in the morning. So let's finish it and.
They want to.
This guy needs to keep tying his luggage all the time. 3-4 minutes. But one good thing is shaft drive. No need to lube it. Till 50,000 kilometers.
No need to maintenance.
No maintenance. But हमारा पुराना Tiger पे we have to do lube. So let's do that and get out. So all set, already leaving now 8:10. Okay, now from my location to Nainital. 11 hours? Seriously? Okay, 11 hours, 11 minutes, 461 kilometers. Actually, shouldn't be taking so much time because last night when there was no traffic, it did not show so much. It was around 10 hours. 1 hour बढ़ गया अभी, maybe because of the traffic near Aligarh and all. We'll be going via Agra. Arey, shit. I forgot something. That are earplugs. Next break में let's wear the earplug. 165 हाईवे में కొట్టేయచ్చు 3 చుక్కలు ఉన్నాయి నాకు. Bye. Thank you so much. అరే నీ అమ్మ ఏదో అవ్వాలి కదా, రీసెంటర్ చేయాలి. Exactly 8. Temperature is 16 degrees. We don't need all these jackets. అరే రైట్ చూపిస్తుందిరా అటు నుంచి. People get up really late here, I guess, no? Gwalior. It's a very chilled out city. Hyderabad में 8 o'clock will be like, oh god. And look at this. I thought yesterday it was Sunday, so it was like that, Kali. But even today, Monday, every day is a Sunday here. Bye bye Madhya Pradesh, Mapra, the city of honking, the capital city of honking. Yeah, actually, let me correct the statement. Madhya Pradesh is not the capital of honking, but Gwalior, especially this area. I think from here onwards we have 4-lane like this, almost till Agra. Agra ke baad you'll have little bit of 4-lane, I think another 50-60 kilometers, and after that it's gonna be a single lane. Yeah, we're not feeling cold, obviously, wearing so much of gear. At least for now. Nainital se hoga full on chilly weather. 1 degree, I don't think this will help. We should wear thermals, double thermals, triple layer. Arre, slow. Arre. Highway annaru. Hey, panniers, orange panniers and blue top box. Our panniers are like 45 liters capacity. Each one is 45 liters, it seems. अरे ना वो तो ज़रा इतने बैठते Agra. Okay, let's stop and put the maps from here because we are getting close to Agra and we don't want to go via Agra. No, sorry. It is via Agra. Okay. Oh, it is cold. 14 degrees at 9:30. Good, we wore all this. 366 kilometers. Abhi to straight dikha raha pura. Yes, 9 hours 16 minutes, 366 kilometers. We should reach by 6:50. We'll be stopping for breaks, right? So I think by 7 we should reach even after breaks. Let's see. Abhi tak to pace was not like super amazing, but decent. Road quality from Gwalior to Agra, I think I'll give it 7 on 10, especially compared to the previous roads. Those are 11 on 10. What I realized is, right from Gwalior till Agra, there is traffic. A lot of villages on either sides. You have to be very mindful, very watchful, because people keep merging from left and right. A lot of U-turns and all that. So actually first plan was to go to Agra, stay in Agra for 2 nights, visit the Taj Mahal, do all that, but then we cancelled that plan. Me and Shiva, both of us saw Taj Mahal. We thought we'll go to a new different place, that is Nainital. But literally Taj Mahal is like 6 or 7 kilometers from here, dude. The wonder of the world, and we're not going there. अरे अब पक्का ना आपको माట్లాడుకోండి రా టేబుల్ వేసుకొని पूरा अच्छा मार्केट से जा रहा. See, that is the reason you can't rely 100% on Google. It will try to take you to the shortest routes and you will come across such markets. Road in sana sana అయిపోతుంది. Good that we are going through this gullies, whatever, because we are able to see Agra Fort, at least bahar se. That is Agra Fort. Very nice. Okay, first right పోవాలంటరా. నేను సిగ్నల్స్ లేవా ఇక్కడ? ఎటు నుంచి వస్తున్నారా? ఎట్లా పడితే అట్లా. ఓకే, ఆగ్రా ఫోర్ట్ ఎంట్రన్స్. అరే నైస్. That's it. We are done with Agra Fort. Now we can go. Okay, now we are on the right direction. Aligarh. 85.5 kilometers. Let's do it. Okay, we just crossed Agra. Another 80 kilometers to, no, 60 kilometers I guess, to Aligarh. And shifting back to my climb gloves because it's getting warm now. What is the temperature? 20.5. Okay, because I stopped the bike, that went up. 16 degrees right now. I think climb should work for now. No need of tinsulate gloves. Oh, major difference. These gloves. I can feel the clutch. I can feel the throttle. I can feel the handle. Yeah, and from here, after crossing Agra, you'll have this kind of a highway, proper single lane. Almost till Nainital it's gonna be like this. Yeah, this is gonna be tough. Single lane mein overtaking is gonna be tough. Shiva, you can go like that, but I have panniers, dude. But yes, life my first time we're doing this highway. Hyderabad से आ रहे. गाड़ी बाहर की है. Okay, a lot of jam here, but we are doing a good thing because Google redirected us through a bypass. Otherwise, left side you have a lot of traffic. I mean, it will be going through proper Aligarh. Right now we are bypassing Aligarh. Only thing is, maneuvering these panniers through all this is definitely a task. That's a pretty good pace. 5 hours 22 minutes left. 227 kilometers left to the hotel.
Only 227.
Only 227. Very cheap. What is this?
Very nice.
The roads are like proper single lane all the time.
लेकिन अच्छा है.
लेकिन अच्छा है. Very good roads. Road quality. Rating inspectors.
Road quality is good.
7 on 10. No, road quality is 8 on 10.
Road quality
Only
is
thing
good.
is single lane.
Traffic sense is like 2 on 10.
Traffic sense is like next level.
इतना बोलते हैं. It is almost the same everywhere in India.
But
It's not
this
like
is
we are complaining,
this is
but
about that.
we are
Little
learning
bit
the
about
cultures.
that.
Like we are travelers right now. We are traveling. We are learning the cultures of different places. मध्य प्रदेश में हॉर्न का बैंड बजा के छोड़ते हैं. यहाँ
Madhya Pradesh is capital of honking. Not Madhya Pradesh, only Gwalior.
Only Gwalior. That too around the hotel spaces or whatever.
Maybe. Arre, we were in Mapra. Abhi we are in Upra.
Apra. Adi Andhra Pradesh.
No. One more thing. Someone in Agra. We just entered Agra, crossed Taj Mahal ka area, and someone said, "ये गाड़ी 1 करोड़ का है." Tiger. Not even the BMW.
And he was like cruising out. I was like
He was listening to that.
I was listening to their conversation like usual. ये 1 करोड़ का बाइक है and ये मान.
वो किसी को बोल रहा.
Let's say
We thought fake masters are only in Hyderabad. इधर भी है पूरा इंडिया में. Salim Feko. Your time is around 1 o'clock. Exactly 1:05. We'll have some lunch now. Last fueling हो गया. I think directly to Nainital we can reach without any more fuel breaks. Maybe 1 or 2 chai break. 1 chai break. For now, let's have lunch and get out. And we can see a little bit of fog settling down. The weird thing is, it's just 3:10 PM in the afternoon. But the way sun is setting here, the lighting and all that, Hyderabad mein it is similar. At 4:30? No, 6:30. Like it's gonna get total dark by 5:15, 5:30 max. All that is okay, but there is gonna be a little bit of fog. If it is little bit, it's fine. If it is too thick, then हमारा clear water is waste. We need yellow lights, conventional bulbs. Yeah, we'll buy yellow papers and put it on the clear water. Actually, both of us have that clear water ka filters, but we didn't get it because we didn't have a plan to come here. No, Viragad. He doesn't want to stop. Okay, 128 kilometers, 3 hours 18 minutes is a little bit funny. Why is it so much? I'll tell you why. This straight road is gonna end in another max 1.5 hours. After that we have cuts. And I don't think we need any fuel break now. We have more than half a tank left. And it's just 127 kilometers now. Jubilee Corbett Dhaba. Very fancy name, right? This is the place we stopped to have some nice chai. After Agra, we got some really good chai. That too, they gave in a, what is that called? A matka. Clay glass. Disposable.
Like our tandoori chai.
It was better than our tandoori chai in Hyderabad. So we expected the same here, but okay. There was little less milk. Owner wants to make more profits, so he removed milk. He diluted it. And this is the first time I think we are having like a sip of water and peeing like 1 liter of.
Don't know from where it
Like
is coming.
seriously, from where is it generating so much? I know it is so cold. I mean, this is what happens when it is cold and foggy. See all this we
Water?
are wearing. Huh?
Water?
Some more water. Again we'll stop to pee. Yeah, you can't remove all this. Both of us are looking like engine drivers. We thought there'll be a lot of fog, but again little bit disappointing. Not that much fog. I think we'll get it once we reach the mountains. Foothills, hopefully we'll have some fog.
But it will be damn cold.
I saw the weather. I'll actually tell you the perfect weather forecast. Wait. Exactly, current weather in Nainital is 7 degrees. 7. Mitta Madhyanam 3:50 PM. Hyderabad mein 27 degrees. Oh, I don't have Apple Care. I was just about to fall.
నేను పట్టుకుంటారా మనకు అసలే బాగా హ్యాష్ ట్యాగ్స్ బాబానికి వస్తాయి.
We had 2 sips, so we'll pee like 2 liters. So इसके बाद और एक break, 1 protein bar, and I think we'll not stop after that. 2 hours 50 minutes left, 103 kilometers, 6:43 PM we should reach. So if I'm not wrong, your right side pura Jim Corbett National Park. 1 hour 16 minutes, 43 kilometers only. But why 1 hour 16 minutes? Roads are super amazing like this. Maybe there are guards in the end. I can't use my phone right now. Not touch sensitive, especially after this cover and this gloves. Actually, let me get down. Let me change my gloves to trans-tinsulate. We stepped down in Uttarakhand. Aurangabad అని చెప్పి ఎల్లోరా అజంతా అని చెప్పి ఎక్కడికి వచ్చాము? నైనితాల్. ఓహోహోహో, nice and warm, worth it. And these are not very expensive, you know. Now I know why does it take 1 hour for 30 kilometers. Look at these guards. Ooh, snake. 30 kilometers ka. Here. Okay, finally we reach Nainital. Total riding time was around 8 hours?
Yeah, less than 8 hours.
Less than 8 hours actually. And how's it chill?
చిల్లు పెట్టింది.
It is very cold. I know you guys expected me to say this dialogue, but it is extremely cold. Unfortunately, my GoPro stopped working because battery khatam ho gaya. From morning I've been recording. Bike mein to it was showing lowest 5.5 degrees. By the way, I've been giving so much of hype about this, right? Waste nahi hai. 9.5 degrees last, uske baad waste. It doesn't work. Huh? So, what did you do?
Heated grips.
This is one thing I'm missing on my bike. And from tomorrow, day after tomorrow,
Tomorrow we have some interesting programs.
we have interesting programs. But I'm talking about the ride from here next upar.
Joshi.
Next would be Joshimath,
Joshimath and Auli.
There is gonna be 0 degrees, -1, -2, -3. Here itself, Nainital mein it is -1. It seems lowest. Now currently here it is 3 degrees. When we came, it was 5.5 degrees. One more thing. You think this is our room? Big room, right? No, wait. This is just one part. You see that? That is a main room actually.
Yes sir.
Okay,
और स्नैक्स में आपको चिकन टिक्का, मलाई टिक्का,
perfect. Shiva, this is gonna be my editing room, my office room, and this is gonna be our sleeping room.
Zishan, you can actually call Simon and make him do exercise there tomorrow.
For you. Wanna see dark horse?
Dark?
Daku.
Who is Daku?
We. With this attire. Ekdam Haryanvi. Let's go to the fireplace.
Yeah.
Take some heat. We are wearing layers and layers even now. A jacket. इसके
And
अंदर
we
t-shirt,
also
इसके
got to
अंदर
know
thermals.
that these layers are not enough. We need to buy a few more tomorrow.
We're planning actually tomorrow we'll buy. The scariest thing to do here is right now to use sanitizer. Arre wah. Arre wah. Tomorrow morning we're gonna have some crazy good view. For now, check it out. Raat ka view. Okay, there is a bonfire, but there are a couple of people there, so I'm not sure if we can go and sit there. There's a good place for people who don't smoke, but they like to smoke. Not like to smoke, but who don't smoke, but they like the effect of.
आगो कभी स्लो होगा
That's how cold it is.